Bruh. Are you getting deep? Oh, you're now it's time for a chisel. Boop, 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 boop. Or you gonna cut in it some more?
Try to cut in some more goddamn shit.
What are you doing, the seal?
Everything.
Well, yeah, you gotta get all that out to get to 3 of them. Well, I mean, right, the seal in front.
2 back real ones.
Oh my God. Oh Lord, mere amateurs, guys. Let me see what this guy doing. Oh Lord, unless you clean it up, where was the leak? He must have cleaned it up because normally all this would be black, but yeah, okay. Gotta train them young, guys. All right, let's see how far. Yeah, it's about chisel time now. What y'all think? All right, guys, he doing all that just so he can replace. When this seal leaks, yeah, you get a differential fluid all over your rear brakes, parking brakes pads, things like that. So all of that is to gain access to this. It's unfortunately that this, yeah, the bearing and the spacer is behind this. So how does it set? Like this, maybe? Yeah. It's been a minute since I done one, but the theory is all the same. Got to get this replaced because rear diff can end up on your rear brake pads. All right, now let's wait and see how. This is a young guy, trainee, so I'm gonna see what he gonna do to get this off.
Angle like this way and cut it.
No, right, X.
No, it's not an X. You cut it in
just an angle, and then
angle, and
then it'll fall off.
Yeah, you pop that off. Then you got to cut the other back one. You got to cut the one that the balls right there.
Oh my God, he going to get a chisel now. Oh my goodness. And you also need a better hammer. You got damn Pittsburgh Harbor Freight hammer, man. You can't hit nothing with this.
So they cut like that cross because you got to cut that other bearing too to get it to pop off.
Y'all see this?
You got one without
these new guys. Harbor Freight Pittsburgh. Why don't you get a snap-on $200 hammer? $200 hammer, knock that right off. But this Pittsburgh, we're gonna see how this gets. When you hear that thing, it's a wrap. The thing is the release. No, he got the, plus his cutter don't have the shield on it to get in the way. Yeah, this is pro snap-on shit. No shield in the way. I heard that ting.
You don't have to.
Ah, coming right on, man. You're a rookie, man.
You looking like
dude, man. When you hear that thing, it's over.
Yeah, you gotta cut that.
Bruh, come on, man. Dude.
You said you don't know how to do that shit.
Oh my goodness. Oh, you gotta cut something else? Okay, I'm out. I can't hang around for this. All right, these guys are amateurs. I gotta go. They got it off though, guys. Wait no, man. Get this shit in there. Oh yeah, the seal up, and now we pressing up.
What you doing, bro?
Cause I want to see, man. Stop being nervous. Ah. Oh, you need a cone to set in the middle of it.
I'm trying, but
you got another block.
Cause you up too high.
oh, there ain't no more going now. I'm not going down.
Oh yeah.
Boom.
You ain't got no gas in.
I'll press on the studs. Ooh, perfect.
Of course.
That should be.
Ah, see how easy that was? Rookie, man.
I ain't never done one before, bro.
Oh yeah?
No.
So you had
I only done.
you had diff fluid on the rear brakes or something?
No, I did a whole axle.
Oh, I thought you were replacing the seals
It
because
came with nothing on it.
like when do you stop? Let's start getting, that's your stopping point.
Yeah.
There should be another stick.
There's another one. But,
No,
no,
that shit ain't shit.
Or the down pair. Yeah, with the jack, with the hoist.
Yeah.
This was mine. I had like a set of 3, and I left it on there just for, you know.
Yeah, you're a good shop guy.